Are your Jira tasks stuck in limbo because you can't show which one blocks another? Learn to link them in 2 clicks. I'll show you exactly how to open your project, select the task, and use the linked work items feature to set a blocking relationship. This is something I do all the time in real projects, and once you see how simple it is, you will wonder why you did not start doing it sooner. So the first step is to simply open your Jira account. Now, if you are already logged in, you will land right on your dashboard. This is your home base, where all your projects and boards live. It does not matter which dashboard view you have, just make sure you are logged in and ready to go. Now, open your Jira project from the left side panel. You will see a list of all your projects down the left-hand side of the screen. Just click on the one where your tasks live. For me, that is usually a software project with a board and a backlog. If you have a lot of projects, you can use the search bar at the top of that list to jump straight to the right one. Next, click on the task that you want to mark as blocked. Here is where we get specific. Let us say you have a task that cannot start because another piece of work needs to be finished first. Click on that task's card or row to open its details. This will bring up the full view of the task on the right side of your screen. A lot of people skip this and try to do it from the board view, but you really need to open the issue detail view to see the linking options. On the right side panel, locate the linked work items section. Scroll down a bit on that detail panel. You will see a section called linked work items. It might be collapsed or hidden if you have not used it before, but it is there, usually sitting below the description and above the activity log. If you do not see it right away, just scroll a little further down. Click on Add Linked Work Item to start linking. You'll see a small button or link that says Add Linked Work Item. Go ahead and click that. A new dialog box will pop up. This is where the magic happens. From the first dropdown, select Is Blocked By. Now, this is the really important part. You have a few options in that dropdown, like blocks, relates to, clones, and duplicates. But what we want here is Blocked By. That tells Jira that the task you have open cannot move forward until the task you are about to pick is finished. It is a one-way relationship that clearly communicates a dependency. In the second box, search for and select the work item that blocks this task. Start typing the name or the key of the task that is causing the holdup. Jira will suggest matching issues from your project. Just click on the right one. This is where having clear task names really pays off. If you see a task that says something like API integration, and that is the blocker, select that one. Finally, click Link to confirm the blocking relationship. Hit that blue link button, and just like that, Jira will connect the 2 tasks. You will see a new entry appear in the linked work items section, showing that your task is blocked by the other one. And that is it. Now your team can see exactly what is waiting on what. No more guesswork, no more asking around in stand-up meetings. The dependency is right there in the system. Once you start using this, you will find it much easier to spot bottlenecks and keep your workflow moving smoothly.